Why do bees pass away after stinging humans? How does a bee make the decision to use its stinger? When a female honeybee stings a person, it cannot pull the barbed stinger back out but ends up leaving behind not only the stinger but also part of its abdomen and digestive tract, plus muscles and nerves. This massive abdominal issue kills the honeybee. When a female honeybee stings a person, it cannot pull the barbed stinger back out but rather leaves behind not only the stinger but also part of its abdomen and digestive tract, plus muscles and nerves. This massive abdominal rupture kills the honeybee. Honeybees are the only bees to pass away after stinging. The concept that chemical signals constantly surround us might seem far-fetched, but pheromone communication is crucial for the survival of bees. For instance, a primer pheromone induces lasting alterations in a bee's physiology and behavior, effectively shaping its development solely through chemical cues. Remarkable, right? Conversely, a release of pheromone triggers swift behavioral changes. When a bee stings, it releases alarm pheromones, a subtype of release of pheromones, immediately. These signals serve as an instant alert to other bees, signaling the intrusion of a threat into the hive. Upon detection, bees hearing the alarm may either attack the intruder or flee, while also increasing the likelihood of others stinging the threat themselves. So how do bees detect these pheromones? Well, honeybees have two antennae, covered in thousands of tiny sensory hairs called sensilla. These hairs contain scent receptors, allowing bees to pick up the various chemicals in the pheromones. They're so sensitive, they can even detect the tiniest amounts of the chemicals. And after a bee has been stung, they can detect the alarm pheromone from miles away. But what's even more intriguing is that bees don't solely rely on their sense of smell to detect the alarm pheromone. They also utilize their vision to observe the stinger protruding from a victim, signaling the need to escape. This additional mode of communication within the hive enables any bee to recognize a stinger and prompt a retreat. So, when a bee stings, it's not merely an act of blind fury. It serves as a warning to other bees to steer clear of the target. While it entails a sacrifice, it ultimately benefits the entire hive. This is the true essence behind bee stings. Male honeybees have a limited mating capacity, being able to mate only 7 to 10 times during a single flight. Following mating, a drone meets a swift demise as its abdomen tears upon the removal of its endophallus. Those drones fortunate enough to survive the mating flight are promptly expelled from their colonies, having fulfilled their singular purpose of mating. Notably, bees possess cognitive abilities such as counting, understanding concepts of similarity and difference, learning through observation, and exhibiting awareness of their own body dimensions, a trait associated with consciousness in humans. Furthermore, they exhibit indications of experiencing both pleasure and pain. These intelligent creatures, bees, exhibit signs of pain perception, memory of patterns and scents, and even facial recognition of humans. They demonstrate problem-solving skills, navigate through mazes, and utilize basic tools. Research suggests that bees possess self-awareness and perhaps a rudimentary form of consciousness.